The owner operators. I just want to do a brief deal. If you guys hear squealing or anything funky, you know, you're hearing weird noises when you're driving, you need to check it out or come to Robinson Truck and Trailer and have us check it out. Just for instance, I had a driver the other day with squealing, pulling an oversized load, and his belt tensioner came off going up a hill. They were blocking a lot of traffic and the bolt was snapped off in the motor and everything. We got him taken care of, but it could have been a simple fix. He said it had been squealing for a long time. So regardless whether it's something big or small, we can take care of it for you. Just pay attention to your trucks, guys. These make you your money. So if you need any parts, we can sell parts. We got a huge inventory, or we can come out and do the work, or you can bring it to us and we'll do the work. Get a hold of us at 515-726-9144.